I'm going to teach you how to set up your store frame. So let me give you an example. This is called store frame. As you can see this picture right here, there are a frame right here. So you can put your store name on here so that it will be more attractive when it put in the listing. So how do you do it? You go to Kumoten and then you sign in first of all. Okay, after you sign into your Kumoten account, right, on the top here, click on this drop down and click on dashboard. Okay, you'll be directed to Kumoten dashboard. Click on power tools and click on my power tools. Now if you are a instant member, okay, instant member got free for you Lazada product decoration and also Shopee decoration. So let's say you only sell on a platform, let's say it's Shopee only. We also recommend you to do this setting at Lazada and Shopee as well. So just in case, like next time if you want to sell on each platform, so it's better for you to just set up these two first. Alright, so click on setting, click on deco setting, and then this will be your product frame, right? Product frame. So if you have your own design, like let's say you design in other software, you can upload your PNG file right here, okay? Or either if you don't have, you can use our in-house frame editor. Just click on that frame editor button just now. You can set your colors, your border, your design, how are you going to do it, your position as well. So after you design finish and you are impressed with your design here, click on save and then you are done. So this is for Lazada, click on save. Okay, so after you are done, you click on my power tools and then you click on Shopee product decoration, click on setting, click on deco setting. So the process is almost the same as Lazada just now. So if you have your own file also, you can choose your file here and upload, or if you don't have, you can use our Kumoten frame editor here. So like just now, you can design yourself right here and also fill in all the details right here. Alright, once you have done, click on save and back, or if you want to view, you just click on save and view. Now after you save this design, when you next time you sync your product, right, the frame will be automatically applied on the product image, so you don't have to be manually put the image in. So that's about it.